A lot of people don't even know that the street is here. Police department said it wasn't even on the map. It's not on the map of Manhattan. Being as how it's private, city sanitation and does not come in here and do any work. We are responsible for taking care of the street. If a pipe bursts, we have to pay for it. Like recently a pipe burst and we had to all get together and pay for it. The garbage, we have to take it down the street because city does not come up in here. At one time, we asked them would they come and, let the sanitation come in here and clean the streets. But they said in order for them to do that, they would have to make this a public street and they would have to put up either parking meters or alternate side of the street parking signs. So we declined on that because we liked it, being private.